how to install AnyDesk on your Mac. AnyDesk is a fantastic tool for remote desktop access and it's super easy to set up. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to the AnyDesk official website. You can do this by typing anydesk.com in your browser's address bar. Once you're in the AnyDesk homepage, look for the download button. It's usually right on the front page. Click on download and you'll be taken to a page where AnyDesk automatically detects your operating system. Since we're on a Mac, it should show a download for macOS button. Go ahead and click on that. Your download should start automatically. If it doesn't, you can click the restart the download link. Once the download is complete, locate the anydesk.dmg file in your downloads folder. Double click on the anydesk.dmg file to open it. A new window will appear with the AnyDesk application icon. Now drag the AnyDesk icon into your applications folder. This will install AnyDesk on your Mac. To launch AnyDesk, go to your application folder and double click on AnyDesk. The first time you open it, you might get a security warning. If you do, click open to proceed. Once AnyDesk is open, you'll see your AnyDesk address at the top. You can share this address with someone you trust so they can access your computer remotely, or you can enter someone else's AnyDesk address to access the computer. And that's it. You've successfully installed AnyDesk on your Mac. Now you can easily connect to other computers remotely.